Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about Kidsneed mole and wart removal pen pop up in ads, claiming to be a revolutionary solution for skin issues. But with its viral popularity and low price, is this pen really the miracle device it promises to be, or is it just another scam in disguise? Let's find out. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer: all the information I'm sharing today is based on public research and my personal opinion. I'm not endorsing or attacking the product, just giving you the facts based on available information. The Kidsneed mole and warts removal pen claims to offer a simple and affordable solution to remove moles, warts, and other skin blemishes in the comfort of your own home. The device promises to use laser technology to target the skin imperfections, effectively removing them without the need for expensive treatments or professional help. On the surface, it sounds too good to be true, and according to experts, it likely is. According to malware tips, this pen is marketed with misleading medical claims and lacks clinical validation. In fact, many users have reported disappointing results, and the gadget has no real medical backing to prove its effectiveness. One big red flag: the price. Real medical grade tools and treatments, especially when dealing with skin issues like warts and moles, are usually regulated and priced accordingly. This pen is marketed at a suspiciously low price point, which raises concerns about its quality and safety. Consumer complaints about the Kidsneed pen include lack of effectiveness, burning sensations, and skin irritation. Experts recommend that you avoid these types of unregulated gadgets and instead consult a licensed dermatologist for safe, clinically proven treatments. So, is the Kidsneed mole and warts removal pen a skin saver or a scam? Based on available information, it seems to fall on the latter category. The product lacks clinical proof, relies on questionable marketing tactics, and has left many users disappointed. If you are dealing with skin issues like warts or moles, it's always better to seek medical advice from a medical professional rather than risking your skin and health on an unverified cheap gadget. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.